Guys, look. It's blizzarding in New York. Look at that. That is so... Oh my, that is so much snow. Last time I broadcasted, it was like not even an inch. Now it's like, look at that. Wow, that's a lot of snow. Remember, we're in New York now. You think the homeless will get really, really cold tonight? Unless they go to the subway, like a lot of them do. Yeah, okay, so I know that. Oh, look at the car. Oh my goodness, what? A car? He has to have four-wheel drive, doesn't he? Yeah, he does. Okay, and look. The car's like sunk in snow. This is so epic. Goodness. What else? Oh, there's another car. Four-wheel drive too. Wow, okay. So, this came here to tell you that it's blizzarding in New York. Oh my goodness. Oh, Choco is like going crazy. Where is he? There he is. He's like, oh my goodness, too much snow. I'm going to go crazy. I'm going to go crazy like a madman. You see, he's like a statue. Oh, he moved. Yeah. He's like, I'm gonna go crazy. Yeah. Oh, he went into bed. See, he's going crazy. My goodness, that's a lot of snow. If you can't see it on here, but the snow is going up. Okay, the wind is going like to make it go up. It's crazy, dude. It's like you can see my reflex there. It's going like that. You see, wind is going. Okay, there's like, and the snow is going like, and then sometimes the wind will go like, and then push it down. You get it? Yeah, that's how it is. Well, I'm gonna. Oh, there's Choco. Well, me and Choco are gonna sign out.